Crispy and golden brown chicken strips or chicken fingers are truly delightful evening snacks. It is prepared by coating the chicken strips in breadcrumbs and then deep frying them. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to my channel Simply Food. So let's see what we'll need to make chicken strips. Chicken strips or fillets, garlic paste, eggs, breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, Kashmiri red chili powder, mixed herbs, black pepper powder, salt, vinegar and white oil. First marinate the chicken strips. Season the chicken strips with half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder followed by half teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon vinegar and half teaspoon garlic paste. Coat the chicken with all the ingredients nicely. Marinate for at least 1 hour for better taste, and if you have some time in your hand, then marinate the chicken for 4 to 5 hours. It would taste much better if you marinate longer. The chicken will be tender and juicy and they would take less time to fry. Now season the eggs with half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Beat the eggs with a fork. I used 4 eggs to make this amount of chicken. I have taken 300 grams of chicken. Now also season the flour with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now time for coating the chicken strips. First, put the chicken into seasoned flour, coat nicely. Give a little shake to remove the extra flour. Dip into the egg wash and put it into the breadcrumbs and crumbs nicely. Make sure your one hand is dry and one hand is wet, otherwise it will be very messy. You can also check out my chicken cutlet video. I'll give the link in the description box. Now again dip into the egg wash. Then coat with the breadcrumbs. Press with your hand slightly, that's why they are stick with the chickens. I marinate the chicken strips for 5 hours into refrigerator. Just look at this, isn't it look great? Now into hot oil, add the coated chicken strips. Shallow fry them. I am shallow frying them. If you want, you can deep fry them. After 1.5 minutes, turn them and fry for another 1.5 minutes. Serve these chicken strips with mango mayonnaise dipping sauce. You can also check this out from the link from the description box. Take them out from the pan and put it on the kitchen napkin to absorb the excess oil. Crispy and crunchy outside with super tender and juicy inside chicken strips are ready. If you taste this, you will forget to go to any fast food joints. I am guaranteed you. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and leave your comment into the comment section. Thank you. Bye.